I bought this one a few months ago. It's a Clarke power. Its model number is cpb1200, and I've searched the internet and I can't find anything on these generators at all apart from one being sold not long ago. So if anyone knows anything, leave it behind. Thank you. Bit out of puff from starting that generator. It ran 5 minutes ago, I don't know. But yes, I bought this one. I did test it when I got it and I changed the oil, and it runs, but it doesn't produce any power. And I'm not a master electrician, but someone here might have had one of these before and knowing what it is. So let's give it a whirl. Let's turn choke off. See, it runs really nice. Doesn't produce nothing. Nothing at all, even if you give it a blip. On the carb, you don't get nothing on it. Just to verify it doesn't put anything out. Not a bean. Completely dead. Yeah, but apart from running really nice, it doesn't produce anything. Right. I might give that one a whirl. It's been a couple of weeks since I've used it, but it should fire up. But beforehand I might give that one another go. Right, thanks for looking. If anyone's interested in the Suzuki GP, I'm not selling it, but if you want me to do a video of it running or whatever, and I will. I might even do one anyway, sod it.